Hey there, everybody. I'm going to just do the last sort of steps for your essay, which is the outline and actually writing the essay. I wouldn't worry about this until you've actually read the articles and taken notes. So this is the last part that you would do. So when you're done taking notes, as explained in the other videos, you would write your ideas down here in your own words. So first of all, you would start with your introduction, and your introduction starts with a hook, which is something catchy or interesting or unique to draw the readers in. So it could be a question, could be something interesting, an interesting fact, or it could be, something to get people to think about, or to something relatable, something like that. The next part, you're going to give some background information. It's going to help the reader understand what you're going to be talking about. And then at the end of your introduction is going to be your main idea, or also known as thesis. So remember that in the last video, I talked about this sentence frame. So you could just copy paste that right here once you write that main idea. The next part is your first body paragraph. This is where you're going to explain what code switching is. So again, you can copy paste your code switching subject. So this part shouldn't be too hard. You're just going to copy paste that. And then you're going to copy paste your quotes after in the evidence part. But make sure you write transitions like this author states, this author says, in article title, author says, something like that introduces it. And then you're going to, in this box, explain what does the quote mean? What is it saying? So you could potentially just copy paste what you have here if you think you wrote that well. If you want to kind of fix it up or change it, you could do that. It's the same thing for the second body paragraph, except the second body paragraph is for question 2, right? Second body paragraph is for question 2, which is why do people code switch? But you're going to do the same thing. Copy paste your topic sentence, copy paste your quotes, introduce them, explain that. And then the third body paragraph is for the advantages and disadvantages for code switching. So again, you can copy paste your topic sentence and then your quotes and your reasoning and your sources, and then just introduce those sources, and then explain your reasoning. That's essentially it. And then if you want to have, oh, by the way, if you probably want to have a couple of conclusion sentences, like how do you want to wrap it up? How is it important? Almost forgot that part. And then you're just going to, what I would do for your essays, I would copy paste everything and then just fill in with more ideas, flesh it out, write more. Probably that bare bones won't be enough for a good essay. You're going to have to write more detail and explain more. And then you're just going to have each section would be a paragraph. And you would just put that in a box. And then if you need any clues about what would make the essay a B or an A, you can look here. But yeah, that's essentially how to write the essay, and let me know if you have any questions.